video, I take you through the only 4 categories of skincare products that you would need. For each of these categories, I'll first talk about the basic products you would need, and then I'll take you through a few extra products that you might also need. But these extra products are not mandatory. The basic products are mandatory. Before I get into the 4 categories, a quick minute or so about how to identify your skin type if you don't already know what your skin type is. So basically, cleanse your face and leave your face alone for 30 minutes. Don't apply anything on your skin for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, if your skin feels dry, tight and all very stretchy, then you've got dry skin. If your skin feels oily and greasy, then you've got, you guessed it right, oily skin. If your skin feels just normal, like you haven't done anything much, then you've got normal skin. And if you've got a skin where some spots are oily and some spots are dry, then you've got combination skin. The 4 categories are cleanse, protect, maintain and treat. So the first category is cleanse. So based on your skin type, whether it's oily or dry or normal or combination, you would need a gentle cleanser, a good gentle cleanser. So that's the basic product that you would need in this category. If you do want to go a bit extra, you might want to buy an other cleanser, an additional cleanser to the one that you already have in the basic section. A gentle cleanser, maybe a bit different set of ingredients in the second cleanser. So that way you can alternate between these 2 cleansers rather than using the same cleanser every day. And the second thing is, if you are someone who applies makeup regularly, you need to remove your makeup properly before you apply skincare products. And double cleansing is a very effective method to get rid of the makeup, because if the makeup is not completely removed, anything you apply on top of it will not be effective at all. So for double cleansing, you would need an oil cleanser. So if you want that, you can go ahead and buy an oil cleanser as well. And finally, you might want to consider buying a cleanser which has got an exfoliating ingredient like salicylic acid. This will gently exfoliate the skin, and it's particularly helpful if you've got oily skin. Now this is a cleanser you won't be using every day, maybe once a week, slightly more if you've got oily skin. The next category is the protect category. Now this is a very crucial category, but unfortunately this is a category which is often overlooked. If we don't protect our skin will age faster. It will pigment. Skin will lose its glow. It will become dehydrated. A whole range of skincare concerns will develop. But luckily, you only need one product in this category. Basic, and there are no extras at all. The only product that you would need is a sunscreen. Try and use a sunscreen which is SPF 30 or above. Above is always better. It has to be a broad spectrum sunscreen with PA++++. I actually use a broad spectrum SPF 50. And then apply the sunscreen at least 10 to 12 minutes before you step out into the sun. And if you are indoors and surrounded by a lot of glass windows, you would need a sunscreen, because some of those UV rays, which can actually age our skin very fast, can travel through glass. And finally, make sure you actually reapply regularly. And one quick note, for sunscreen, the right order of application is, first you would moisturize your skin, then you would apply your sunscreen, and then apply makeup on top of the sunscreen. I just quickly want to highlight that I'm not going into deep dive mode into any of these categories. I'm not providing any product recommendations, because then it would become a lengthy video and add to a lot of more overwhelm, and I want to remove that overwhelm. There are a lot of other videos on my channel and on other channels where you can see product recommendations. This is purely surface level description of the 4 only categories that you need for your skincare routine. The next category is the maintenance category. The purpose of this category is to actually help your skin in its natural function, to maintain that balance on your skin. So there are 2 types of skincare products that you would need for this category. The first one is the moisturizers or your lotions or your cream. So you would need one moisturizer or a cream or a lotion, whatever you prefer based on your skin type. Now, the primary function of a moisturizer is to actually hydrate the skin. But these days, a lot of moisturizers come with a lot of other additional ingredients which can actually brighten up our skin, help our skin to age well, fight pigmentation on our skin, and strengthen the skin's barrier function. A strong skin barrier means a skin prone to less breakouts, less whiteheads and pimples and blackheads and acne and all that. So when you do buy a moisturizer or a cream or a lotion, look for a moisturizer which, apart from doing its basic function, which is hydrating the skin, also has ingredients which can bring these additional at least one of these additional benefits to our skin. So that's the moisturizer section of this category. The second section is exfoliating toners. Now, on our skin, unwanted dead cells fall off regularly, but some of these unwanted dead cells don't fall off on their own. They all stick together, form a thin layer, give the skin a very dull look, and give the skin a lot of skin concerns. They don't help the skin age well. And so we need to regularly exfoliate our skin so that we can help those unwanted cells fall off. Now, for exfoliation, we need two set of ingredients. One is AHAs and the other ones are BHAs. Alpha hydroxy acids are the AHAs, beta hydroxy acids are BHAs. Both these set of ingredients are needed. We can't just pick and choose one because both of them exfoliate two different aspects of our skin. Basic product for this category in the exfoliating section would be to buy a toner which has both AHAs and BHA in it. So the basic product for this category involves two products. One is a moisturizer, the other one is the exfoliating toner. If you do want to go a bit extra, what you could do is buy a second moisturizer. So that way you can alternate. And also remember, you need to apply the moisturizer both in the morning and the night time. So it's always a good idea to have a couple of moisturizers. And the second moisturizer that you would buy, make sure it's got different set of ingredients than your first moisturizer. And another thing that you could do is, rather than buy one toner which has both AHAs and BHA for the exfoliation, you could buy two toners. One which has got AHAs and another one which has got a BHA. So these are the extra bits that you could do if you want to go one step further. These extra bits are not mandatory, but having said that, if you do that extra product thing, your skin will benefit. Finally is the treat category. This is the fourth category. This category basically addresses the concerns your skin has. You basically need three different types of products for this category. The first one is a well-aging. It's commonly called the anti-aging product. So you would need one serum or a product in that section. And then you would need one product for the anti-pigmentation. Now this would fight the dark spots and the dark patches on your skin. And finally, you would need a product which can help add hydration to your skin. So these are the basic products that you would need for the treat category. 3 products for each of these sections. If you do want to go a bit extra, I would suggest buying another two additional anti-pigmentation ingredients. So that will take your entire anti-pigmentation kit to 1 in the basic and 2 in the extra. The reason why I'm saying this is different ingredients, different anti-pigmentation ingredients fight pigmentation in their own way. And to tackle pigmentation, we need to fight pigmentation from different angles. So different ingredients can do that. And that's why we need to attack it through different ingredients. Only then we can fade those dark spots and dark patches. One product will never do the complete job when it comes to pigmentation. So having 2 other anti-pigmentation products which uses different set of ingredients. All of the products have to use different set of ingredients. No point in using the same ingredients. That will be really beneficial. So that would be a first extra. The second extra is go for other well-aging serum. So that will be very helpful as well. That's it. The main thing is keep your skincare routine simple but intentional. Don't just blindly apply a skincare product. Understand what the product actually will do for your skin. Stick to the basics and add the extras only based on your skin's needs and also based on your budget. This way, you'll actually start enjoying your skincare routine much more. That's about it. If you found this video useful, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.